Everyone, I'm back again with another Python tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about Python booleans. Booleans are a very important topic in any programming language. In every programming language, we have to learn about booleans. So guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about Python boolean. So in this video, we will begin to learn about Python boolean. So guys, now without wasting our time, let's begin. First, let's talk about what is a boolean. Boolean are data type in a Python which represent one of two values, true or false. So this will need to represent true or false. So for example, x equal to true and y equal to false. And guys, now if you want to see, now you print type x and type y, then guys you can see this result. Bool. So this is boolean. Then guys, now I'm going to comment all of these. So guys, every string is true, but empty ones are false. So for example, x equal to, this is the empty string, and this is not empty string. So I'm going to type here Python. Because now if you print here, I'm going to copy this. So guys, here now if you print bool x and bool y, then guys you can see the result. False, true. So this is false and this is true. Then guys, now any number is true except for 0. So for example, x equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, 2, 3. And guys, now if you print bool x and print bool y, then guys you can see the result, false and true. So this is false and this is true. So guys, like this you can use boolean in Python. So guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more Python related videos, then guys please make sure to subscribe to this channel and guys you also make sure to access this Python tutorial playlist, because every Python video will going to be in that playlist. So guys, now thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.